windstorm has started. 75-mile-an-hour winds. Look at the tiles on that house. Look at the shovel blowing. Look at the garbage can. Look at the chair. Look at that. 75-mile-an-hour wind gusts have started. Look at all the down tree branches already from my tree. Look at that. They're everywhere. See them all? They're just falling off by the gallon. Not good. It's not good, people. This is not good. It's just now starting. The storm is just now starting. The wind just started about 20 minutes ago. And it's already probably 50-mile-an-hour plus wind gusts. 50, 60-mile-an-hours already. And we're supposed to get 75, 80-mile-an-hour winds. That wind is cold. This thing just started 20 minutes ago, and look at all the debris on my lawn already. This thing is going to last until tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock in the morning. So we have about 22 more hours of this. And look at the grass already within the first 20 minutes. People's shit's blowing off their porch. Tiles are ripping up off their houses. And it's only been 20 minutes. The fucking clouds in the sky are moving probably fucking 50 miles an hour up there. They're fucking going nuts. Shit's nuts. And this just started. I'll bring you more to come. Once the storm picks up in intensity, I'll be here to bring it to you, folks. The windstorm of the Northeast 2019. First we had a blizzard, now we're going to have a fucking hurricane in Buffalo, New York. Peace and love.